The best part about being an animal rehabilitator is when you finally get to release the animal back into its home environment again after nurturing it back to health. This river otter was taken back to her Oak Bay home after recovering from severe emaciation and extensive facial injuries. She was found in February, and it's taken 2 months for her to recover and regain her fitness and strength, thanks to the nurturing care of Wild Ark Animal Shelter in Metchosin.
About 70% of our intakes are birds. The others are small mammals such as squirrels and otters, the odd mink here and there, but mostly we take in birds.
This barred owl was also released this week.
I had head trauma as well as extensive bruising to the wing. So it probably came down to try and collect an animal and got hit by a car. We'll bring them directly back to where they were found. That way they go back to the original home area. We release later in the day for owls because they're nocturnal, so releasing later in the day is ideal for nocturnal species. I think she's just going to resume life as she did before. She's 100%.
I asked Louise Dixlag what the success rate is like for their inpatients.
Quite a bit lower than what some people think. We're under 50%, so less than 50%, more towards 40% actually make it back to the wild. It's a bit lower than what people expect.
What should you do if you find a wild animal in distress?
Call us at Wild Ark. You can find us on our website, and we can help you with how to basically contain the animal. And there's two places. You can bring them directly to us at Wild Ark, or you can bring them to the Central Victoria 24-hour emergency vet clinic downtown here in Victoria.